Okay, welcome back. It's TriCo Tommy's training videos. Today we're going to be creating your meets for the season. Now, whether you're using Team Manager or Team Unify, you have to create your home meets at in Touchpad, because the other team will be coming, the away team will be coming. They'll be bringing their roster, they'll be bringing their meet entries, and this is the platform that we imported into so we can keep track of all the times for all the kids qualifying for Tri-County at your A meets. Okay, let's see. There's my mouse. All right. So if we go to that documentation again, we're going to see. We are going to see in the manuals is how to create your meets for the season. So that's right there. That's the documentation right there for this. How to create your meets for the season. Okay, great. So the song behind us is Van Halen. It is Right Now, and that's when you should start working on your meets for the season. Right now. Okay. So we are going to go back into Touchpad. We are going to hit File, and we're going to restore a backup meet. Now, in that helpful starter kit that I created for you, we're going to go back to the desktop, 2018 starter kit. You'll see that we have a meet template, and we hit OK. Restore this file. OK. Now this is where we're going to create this meet, and for the purposes of this demonstration, these videos, we're going to call this video demo, and we will follow this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We will follow this throughout the system. Now, what I would say to you, in 2020, we are looking to keep score on Touchpad, but for this year, go into scoring preferences, hit set point values, and let's clear those out. But this is what you would have if you were keeping points. Since we are looking to keep track of the score in 2020, it might be worthwhile for you to play with this after a meet and see how your meet sheets match up to how you score it. But we're going to hit clear all entries and hit yes and OK. The good thing about this is the process that we take, we're just going to be cloning from this meet, so it's going to be identical. Now let me also share with you right now, if you want to create a time trial, then you should change this to 5 so that you can put all your kids in, and then the total number that they can swim is 7. So now we have the age update here, but you know, if it isn't 2018, you're going to want to change it to the year it is, because it's always June 15th of the year that we're swimming in. But we only, for regular A meet, only 2 events. We hit OK. All right, so this is our video demo. 1, 2, 3, 4. Actually, I renamed the template, so I'm actually going to clone this meet. So I'm going to call this Week 1 Video Demo. So you're going to want to change all this information, who your host team is, who your meet director is, all this pool address, because when you wind up synchronizing this to Touchpad Live, you're going to want to make sure that all that good information is there. Okay, so now we are going to go here and sync with our Team Unify credentials. We did this before when we loaded up. You hit sign in. So I am going to upload this. I'm going to synchronize this with Tri-County. Okay. So I'm synchronizing now. So this is going to give you a link. Now this link, you can click on it. It's going to take you to the meet that you just created. You'll see it's got week 1 video demo. It's got all 66 events. Now you can see you're all set up with a link. This link can be shared with parents after the meet. It can be shared with parents during the meet. This way parents can take that URL that we see right over here in Touchpad. This URL right here, they can use their phone and get to these results after you post them. The other thing I'm going to share with you is that you can get sponsorships for every one of these events. If you do that and sell for $20 a piece, 20 times 66 is more than $1,000. So anyway, so here's our Touchpad Live. But I selling sponsorships, and you can have the Tom Balderstone backstroke for 15-18 boys there every week. Now, if you are a different swim club and you need to synchronize your meet, I am going to clone this meet and synchronize it up to Haddontown. All right, so here we go. I'm going to clone this meet. I'm going to call this week 1 demo dash Haddontown, and let's make it the video demo. All right, we hit OK. All right, so now we have the Haddontown one. So now we're going to wind up synchronizing up to Haddontown. We sync to our credentials. So we got to go grab Haddontown's alias. Now, thank goodness I've been a member. I actually bought this product for Haddontown over 10 years ago just to run the club. So now we are going to go to their website. You can see right here at the end is their alias. We're going to hit copy. We're going to hit copy. We're going to go back. We'll put that in as our alias. I'll put in my password. And sign in. And that all worked. So now I can synchronize now to the swim office. Booyah! I got a meet now, and we're all good to go. All right. So this is how you create your meets. You have to have created this meet for all your home meets. When you name your home meets, let's just do this. When you name your home meets, edit meet setup, you're going to want to put your club, Haddontown, versus who you're swimming, Winona, and the year, 2018. That way we year qualify the meets. Over the past 20 years, we haven't year qualified the meets, and getting them into the database has been a bit tricky. So we're going to do it right from moving forward, and I'm going to fix the 20 years of history. All right, so that's that. Now, a key thing right here, sync button. Syncing is on. So we are going to turn that off. We're going to turn that off. Touchpad sits by itself. We're going to leave this turned off. We're not going to turn this back on until, we're never going to turn this back on until you're ready to sync your scores up. So, and even if you push to sync, it will automatically turn this button on. So there's really no reason for you to turn this syncing button back on. So when you get your entries from the other team and everything else, it all stays local to this local machine. So let me also select an existing meet. I'm going to go to the video demo, and I am going to call this, I'm going to turn my syncing off. Okay, so syncing is turned off. All right, so we're in great shape now. You've done everything that you need to do in order to start up creating your meets. So you will make all your home meets, put all the good information in, and save it right then and there. All right. So I just want to thank you for coming. It's TriCo Tommy's training videos, creating your meets for the season. I'm Tom Balderstone. My email is tom@tricoswimming.org. My cell phone is 856-536-2634. Thanks for watching. Have a great season. See you on the flip side.